Introducing the MetaQuest Pro, a completely reimagined headset that's designed to take your virtual reality experience to the next level. The MetaQuest Pro has an all-new ergonomic design that provides premium comfort. It's thinner, sharper, and brighter than its predecessor, the Quest 2. The display is full color and has a resolution of 1832 by 1920 pixels per eye. One of the most exciting features of the MetaQuest Pro is its mixed reality capabilities. With full-color video feed and face tracking via inward-facing cameras, you can experience virtual reality like never before. The MetaQuest Pro has a Qualcomm Snapdragon XR 2 Plus processor, which is 50% more powerful than the Quest 2's Snapdragon XR2. The MetaQuest Pro is also designed with business users in mind. It has a short battery life, but comes with a fast charger that can charge it up to 80% in just 1 hour. The cost of this is $1,400. The Skydio 2 Plus drone was designed to be the easiest drone to fly and also the least likely drone to crash, having collision avoidance sensor technology on all sides. It was also designed to be the best follow-you tracking drone on the market. The Skydio 2 Plus beacon extends the range of your phone up to 1.9 miles, even when the drone can't see you, while the controller offers connectivity up to 3.7 miles. In ideal conditions, it can fly up to 27 minutes at a maximum speed of 36 miles. Skydio 2 Plus has a standout subject tracking feature, a waypoint system, can be operated with discrete controller, has super accurate panorama positioning, auto record avoids missing key moments, and captures action smoothly with 4K 60 frames per second. Skydio helps you bring your vision to life with intuitive cinematography skills that allow you to easily design unique flight paths and produce dynamic, smooth, single-shot videos. It carries a professional camera with Sony's IMX577 CMOS sensor and Qualcomm's Reddragon QCS605, delivering 12-megapixel photos and 4K 60 HDR video. The drone has 360-degree obstacle avoidance, GPS subject tracking, and can fly close confidently, producing superior imagery and footage with no need for post-processing. The cost of this drone starts around $1,100 and costs more with extra accessories. The Wave Roller is a full-body roller for large muscle groups that combines powerful vibration therapy and an innovative wave texture to deliver the most powerful, efficient, full-body foam rolling experience. It has 5 intensity settings that can be adjusted to your comfort level manually or via the TheraBody app. The smart, vibrating foam roller is Bluetooth-enabled with 5 intensity settings, which allow you to tailor both your warm-up and recovery conveniently from your mobile device with the TheraBody app. The price of the Wave Roller varies depending on the model and where you purchase it from. The Ultion Nuki Smart Lock is a connected lock system featuring a combination of mechanical and electronic security. It has a discreet internal-only design with a simple dial and button system that allows you to unlock with physical key or app. The basic Ultion Nuki package starts at £239. You can use your phone to unlock the Ultion Nuki Smart Lock via the Nuki app. The Nuki app also allows you to grant access to other people, such as family members or guests, and set up time-limited access. The Ultion Nuki Smart Lock is packed with features, has the backup of a physical key, as well as app control, a keypad, and a fob. The Ultion Nuki Smart Lock is designed specifically for homes. It's simple and effective way to make any door lock smart. The unit attaches to the inside of your regular lock, so it's not obvious from the outside, and while not as slick as some, it's affordable and easy to fit. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and as always, thanks for watching.